On this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make banana cake. If you're interested on this recipe, watch it to the end and also help me to share. So what you need for this recipe, you need banana. I have this banana at home. My children no want chop am. The thing won't come spoil. I say, okay, let me use it to make banana cake for them. So as you can see, I peel it off, mash it until it is very, very smooth. You can as well blend. I added brown sugar, melted butter. Honestly, this recipe is really simple. No tell me say you no fit make am. Follow this step, you are going to like it. I added 2 raw eggs. I added vanilla, which is totally optional. You fit no use vanilla if you no want, but if you have coconut vanilla or whichever flavor, use it and then mix it very well to combine like this. So next, I'm going to go in with some baking powder. I added 1.5 spoon of baking powder, and this is cornstarch, akamo, or custard, white cornstarch. I don't know how to call them again. I added 2 cups into it, and then I went in with my plain flour into it. I mean a flour. I added 2 cups of flour into it as well. So I added cornstarch, I added flour, mix very well to combine, and then that is it. You know, I always come up with simple recipe for you guys. This one, you know, tell me say no fit do am. Next, I'm going to add some rising on it. I've been a raisin, whichever way I pronounce amomo and no verse. So this one is optional as well. I added some almond and nuts on it, which is totally optional as well. If you don't have all this, just bake your cake. You are good to go. And then I mix it very well. This time I'm folding it, is not mixing. Fold it like this until it goes, all the nuts goes into it properly, and then that is it. I also want to understand my English. Then I transfer it into my baking pan. You don't finish, you bake it in the oven. So at this point, my oven was already heated. I love to heat my oven before I put my baking on it. I've been as soon as the speaker, and then reduce the heat of the oven. You don't finish. Shikina. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. So bake it in the oven on a low heat until it turns golden brown like this. And then that is it. You don't come up with cake. Birthdays are popping up. Which one are you going to try? When is your birthday or your child's birthday? Try one of these. They are going to love it. Just take a look at it. It came out nice, guys. And it tastes nice. Oh my goodness. This should be one of the best cake I've baked this year, honestly. It came out nice and it tastes so delicious. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, help me share them, I beg. See you on my next one. Bye.